Hey, it's Steve here. I want to review for you the company my24option.com. You can find a link below this video, my24option.com. This particular company I've been with since the spring of 2011. It's actually probably been the best binary options company experience that I've had, and I've tried more than a dozen binary options companies over the years. I like them a lot, so let me review a little bit and my thoughts and feelings on them a little bit, and go from there and see if it's for you or not. They're based over in Europe. My 24 option, they have a $200 minimum deposit. You can deposit as $200, and I'll show you how to deposit and so forth in just a minute. Their minimum per trade is $24. Just to play on their 24 option idea. So the minimum is $24. You can trade stocks, currencies, commodities, indices, and all that kind of good stuff. Let me show you the banking aspect of them. A lot of different ways to deposit money: credit card, wire, Western Union, Liberty Reserve, MoneyGram, MoneyBookers. I always suggest when you make a withdrawal, you usually make the withdrawal the same way you made your deposit. I have been paid out by them. I have had a good experience with them, so it is one that I recommend. Now, looking at their trading aspect, the stuff that I focus on is high and low, which basically means it's a buy or sell, and they do have one touches and boundary options as well. The nice thing about my 24 option, though, is you can use these drop down boxes, and for example, if you're just a forex trader, you can just, instead of having everything listed here from the forex to stocks to indices and so forth, having this big long list, you can just click on forex, for example, and it'll just pop up the forex. Now, if you focus on just the euro, you can do that, and now you're down to 4 different particular trades. And say you're an intraday trader, you can just have it where it's intraday. So the things that you have on your screen here would be forex, the Euro, USD, and intraday. And this is basically going to tell you you're trading the Euro USD. Here's the live price of it, whether it's high or low, whether you think the market's going up or down. If you think it's going up, you use the plus sign. If you think it's going down, you use the minus sign. Return on this particular account is or trade is 85%, and then when it expires, which is 11:30. So if you're an indices trader, same thing. Or if you're a stock trader, they have U.S. stocks, European stocks, commodities. If you're an oil or a gold trader, they have that as well. And again, if you wanted to trade it end of the day options, you could do that, or even end of the week. I believe they have particular options for that as well. So if I was a gold trader and I wanted to look at the end of the day, I could do that and just have it listed like that. So it's really nice as far as not having your screen so jumbled like on some of the other binary options brokers where you got all the US indices or all the forex things up on your screen. With this, if I just want to focus on the Dow, I can just focus on the Dow, whether it's the intraday Dow or the end of the day Dow. So it's very nice as far as that goes. Let me just show you an example. For example, Dow Jones intraday, we'll just use as our example. You can see that they have the target price, obviously, that continues to move as the markets move. And say we were thinking the market is going to go up between now and 11:30. I could click on that plus sign, which means I think it's going higher. And I can enter my investment amount, say 25 bucks, just for kicks. And I hit the buy button, and I would own that particular option, which means I think that the market is going to go up from my entry price to the end of the time, which in this case would be 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The nice thing, and I won't show you here because I don't want to actually place this trade, is this particular trade is actually closable, and by that I mean if I entered this trade after about 2 minutes, I could close this position. They're going to give you a payout of whatever. So if I'm winning the trade, by a bunch of points, they're going to give me a 30 or 40% payout. If I'm losing the trade by a bunch of points, they're going to give me a payout that's less. I could let the trade expire for its entire amount, which in this case would be 80% payout if I win the trade. If I lose the trade, I would get zero back. So they do not pay money back on any losing trades, unlike some other binary options brokers that do, but they pay out a higher percentage on winning trades. But the nice thing about the closable thing is, for example, if you got in the wrong trade, or there's too much time left and the market's starting to go against you, you could close out your position ahead of time. You're not going to get the full 80% payout, but you might be able to capture 20-30% payout in that case. And my 24 option is I think the only one, maybe one or two other binary options brokers that offer that, which is a really neat feature to have. I personally don't use it. I like to just let my trades run, place them, and let them run. But some people really do like that aspect. Another thing about my24option.com is I would never use any bonuses that they give you. I would never use any bonuses that My24Option gives you, or any other binary options broker for that matter. Usually the rules are just too strict as far as how it works. You have to trade 15, 20, 25 times whatever your bonus amount is in order to get your withdrawals. So I would suggest not trading, not doing the bonuses. So they may call you up and ask you, if you deposit X number of dollars, we'll give you a bonus of 30 or 40 or 50%. My opinion is not to take the bonus, but you can do anything you so desire. Customer service, very good. They have a live chat feature that they answer. Keep in mind that this is a European company, so make sure that you're contacting them at the correct hours. During the morning U.S. time is probably the best, and so forth. I have been paid out by them again, and this is, in my opinion, I've had the least amount of problems with this particular broker than any other broker that I've used over the last 10 years in binary options fixed odds trading. Doesn't mean I won't have problems in the future, but as of this recording, I've had the least amount of problems. I think they've been very fair in their pricing of trades. I've never had a spread here at My24Option, and everywhere else I've at least had a spread before. So I've never had a spread at My24Option before. So I like them very much, and hopefully I'll continue to like them. Another nice feature I'll show you here in just a second. Another nice feature here is if you go to the trade history section of My24Option.com, you can actually click on the exit price, and what will pop up is, usually what will pop up is the prices for the 30 seconds before your expiration time and the 30 seconds after your expiration time. And what that is, it just kind of shows you what their prices they were quoting for that particular option. So that is helpful as well, just to make sure that their prices that they're giving you are accurate as well. So overall, I really like My24Option.com. Please use the link that is in this video at My24Option.com. If you use that link, I'll get a small commission when you sign up, but also if you ever do have a problem with My24Option, I'll go to bat for you and just try and help you resolve any issues that you might have. So take a look at My24Option.com. I highly recommend them. I wish you the best in your trading. Take care. Also, remember to send me an email after you sign up to let me know, and I will send you a special trading system that you can use for My24Option. So send me an email once you sign up at My24Option, and I will send you a special trading system that you can use right for them. Alright, take care. Wish you the best.